how to make your homemade pulvoron. Here are the ingredients for your homemade pulvoron. 1/2 kilo of flour, 1/4 kilo of skim milk, 1/4 kilo of sugar, 1/4 kilo of margarine, and your available kitchen tools. Preheat your pan. Pour on your flour. Mix it for 7 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Use medium heat. Then add the skim milk. Mix with flour for 3 to 5 minutes. And add sugar. Mix with the rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. Reheat another pan for the margarine. Use again medium heat. Mix until it melts. Transfer your mixtures in a bowl. Then add the melted margarine.
Oh no! Okay.
Now mix them
Voice over ako.
thoroughly. Keep on mixing. It's ready.
Okay.
Use a molder for your pulvoron.
Di ba kanina
Start molding. It's my daughter, Margaret. Molding our pulvoron. So you have to make it firm. Then place it in a container or wrap it on a cellophane if it is available. I hope you enjoy and you can make 55 to 60